I am from Johan Speaking Academy. Today, I am very happy because I'm at Jungle Gym. Jungle Gym is located at Atria Shopping Mall. It has the biggest indoor playland in town now. Jungle Gym has Babyland and Funland. Jungle Gym is for children aged few months to mid-teens. Jungle Gym has features that all kids love, such as ball pit, slides, throwing tunnel, waterbed, movie room, air guns, activity boards, and many more. There is an adjoining washroom within Jungle Gym. Parents can have the peace of the mind that their kids can go to the toilet without having to leave the premises. Jungle Cafe offers simple Western food that is delicious for both adults and kids. Jungle Cafe's food is home cooked in their own kitchen with the freshest ingredients. Jungle Gym is the perfect birthday party venue. They have a range of birthday party themes and cool birthday party plans to suit your occasion and budget. Please visit www.junglegym.my. Let's go Jungle Gym!